Hello kids. Brown color, red color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, dark green color. A, brown color. A for apple. B, red color. B for book. C, yellow color. C for cat. D, blue color. D for doll. E, pink color. E for egg. F, dark green color. F for frog. G, brown color. G for goat. H, red color. H for horse. I, yellow color. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for next. O for ox. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sheep. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for village. W for weight. X for X-ray. Y for yard. Z for zinc. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye.